Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of data visualization. Today, we'll explore the concepts, tools, and both paid and free options available for creating impactful data visualizations. So, let's get started. Data visualization is the art of representing complex information visually, using charts, graphs, and other visual elements. It helps us understand patterns, trends, and outliers that might not be apparent in raw data alone. The advantages of data visualization are immense. First, it enhances data comprehension, making it easier to grasp complex information. Second, it facilitates better decision-making by providing clear insights. Third, it helps us identify trends and patterns that might go unnoticed otherwise. Fourth, it enables effective communication of data to diverse audiences. And finally, it increases engagement and retention of information. Now, let's explore some of the powerful tools available for data visualization. We have both paid and free options to suit different needs. In the paid category, we have remarkable tools that offer advanced features and functionality. One of the popular choices is Tableau. It boasts a user-friendly interface and robust analytics capabilities, allowing you to create stunning visualizations effortlessly. Another option is Microsoft Power BI, which offers interactive visualizations and dynamic dashboards. These tools come with comprehensive support and extensive resources to help you master the art of data visualization. If you're looking for free options, don't worry, we've got you covered. Google RStudio is a fantastic choice. It's a free tool that lets you create and share data visualizations seamlessly. It's beginner-friendly and integrates well with other Google services. Another great free tool is D3.js, a JavaScript library that enables you to create dynamic and interactive visualizations on the web. These tools are perfect for those starting their data visualization journey without breaking the bank. But wait, there's more. We also have a range of open-source data visualization tools that offer flexibility and customization options. One popular open-source tool is Matplotlib, a Python library known for its versatility in creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations. For those using the R programming language, ggplot2 is an excellent choice, providing a powerful set of tools for data visualization. If you prefer a more visual interface, RAW Graphs allows you to